So hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you guys facing issues to download Lightworks on your laptop devices? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Chrome. Once you open the Chrome, now tap on search bar and search for Lightworks download. Click on the second option, download and install. After you click on it, scroll down and you can see the option for download link here. Tap on this link. Again scroll down. If you need pro version of Lightworks, then you need to pay money. If you are looking for free, then click on download and choose your device. If you are using Mac, then click on Mac. If you are using Windows, tap on Windows. Once you click on it, your download will start. As you guys can see, Lightworks is downloading. Once it gets downloaded, just simply tap on it. Now click on run. Click OK. Now tap on next. Over here you need to accept the terms and conditions. Click on I accept the terms and conditions. Click on next. Now select your file location. Click on install. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna download Lightworks software on your laptop devices. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.